With each step I lay down a stone. Brick by brick I make it my own. Ideas take shape in the light of day, creating my world in my own unique way. The path I build with heart and hands, turning simple dreams into grander plans. Piece by piece I shape my fate, with every turn I innovate. One clay, paint and thread. There's nothing too hard when it's all in my head. Sketch it out, let the vision grow. In every detail, the future starts to show. The path I build with heart and hands, turning simple dreams into grander plans. Piece by piece I shape my fate, with every turn I innovate. Through every flaw I find my way. Mistakes are the lessons that light the way. With every hammer, stitch and mold, the story of creation slowly unfolds. The path I build with heart and hands, turning simple dreams into grander plans. Piece by piece I shape my fate, with every turn I innovate. The path I build with heart and hands, turning simple dreams into grander plans. Piece by piece I shape my fate, with every turn I innovate. Through every flaw I find my way. Mistakes are the lessons that light the way. With every hammer, stitch and mold, the story of creation slowly unfolds. The path I build is mine to create. With every craft I shape my own fate. Hands in the clay, shaping my dreams, building a world where I can be free. Cut, glue and paint, colors come alive, crafting my way through this beautiful life. Hands at work, hearts in the art, every little piece a brand new start. From simple things to something grand, creating beauty with my own two hands. Paper and thread, scissors and glue, there's nothing that my hands can't do. Dream it, make it, watch it unfold. In every craft, a story is told. Hands at work, hearts in the art, every little piece a brand new start. From simple things to something grand, creating beauty with my own two hands. At work, hearts in the art, every little piece a brand new start. From simple things to something grand, creating beauty with my own two hands. Mistakes are just part of the plan. They make us stronger as we stand. Through every twist, turn and bend, in every craft there's a new friend. Hands at work, hearts in the art, every little piece a brand new start. From simple things to something grand, creating beauty with my own two shaping my dreams, building a world where I can be free. Cut glue and paint, colors come alive, crafting my way